In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all will be safe and sound at your homes. Today, we are going to punctuate some of the paragraphs from Book 1 Short Stories, chapter number 6 to 15, one by one. Punctuation. Students, punctuation means the use of points, stops, or marks to separate one sentence from another sentence, or one part of a sentence from another part of the sentence. You all will be aware of the rules of punctuation. Before going toward the paragraphs, we will have a glimpse of the marks of punctuation. The chief marks of punctuation are 13 in number, which are given below as you can see on the screen. Number 1, the full stop. The full stop is a punctuation mark used at the end of a sentence or an abbreviation used to suggest that there is nothing more to say on a topic. Number 2, the comma. The comma shows a short pause. Number 3 is the semicolon. This symbol commonly used to link two independent clauses in a single sentence that are closely related in thought. Number 4 is the colon. The colon is used to separate two independent clauses when the second explains the first. We commonly use it to announce, to introduce, or to direct attention to a list, a noun or a noun phrase, a quotation or an example or explanation, to join sentences, to express time, in titles, and as a part of other writing conventions. The fifth one is the apostrophe. We use apostrophe for three purposes. Number 1, the marking of the omission of one or more letters. Number 2, the marking of possessive case of nouns. And number 3, the marking of plurals of individual characters. Number 6 is the quotation mark. The quotation mark is also called speech marks, inverted commas, or talking marks. The quotation mark used in pairs in various writing systems to set off a direct speech, a quotation, or a phrase. The pair consists of an opening quotation mark and a closing quotation mark, which may or may not be the same character. Number 7 is the mark of exclamation. Students, the mark of exclamation is usually used after an exclamation or interjection to indicate strong feelings and convey emotions. Number 8 is the question mark. The question mark, it indicates an interrogative clause or phrase in many languages. Remember one thing, the question mark is not used for indirect questions. Number 9 is the hyphen. The hyphen is used to join words and two separate syllables of a single word. Number 10 is the ellipsis or three dots. The ellipsis is used to omit a word, phrase, line, paragraph, or more from a quoted passage. Ellipses save space or remove material that is less relevant. Number 11, the dash. The dash is used to indicate a range or a pause. Number 12 is the parenthesis. Parenthesis, when a word or phrase inserted as an explanation or afterthought into a passage which is grammatically complete without it. In writing, usually marked off by brackets, dashes, or commas. And number 13 is the brackets. These are used to enclose the words or figures so as to separate them from the context. Students, along with these punctuation marks, we will use capital letters where it will be needed. Now, we start the punctuation of paragraphs from chapter number 6, The Reward. Before punctuation, we will read the lines. Kindly listen the reading attentively. I hope you will punctuate it very easily. First paragraph is, anything? Asked Turbot. Anything, Jawkins replied, so as he sticks to it, hard enough and long enough. Anything, whatever. Students, it's a portion of dialogues between Turbot and Jawkins, who were both discussing the importance of determination and opportunity. The word asked tells that it follows an interrogative expression. Anything, as it is a dialogue, inverted commas begin, A capital. Anything, question mark, inverted commas, close. Asked Turbot, Turbot, T capital, because it is a proper name, proper noun, full stop. After giving question mark after anything, we will close the inverted commas, and another anything will be start from another inverted comma, because next the person who is saying this is another one. It is the second portion of the dialogue. Anything, A capital. There is a small pause, comma, inverted commas close again. Jawkins, J capital, because it's a proper noun, replied, comma, so long as he sticks to it. It's a proper clause. We will keep the first word in small letters, because as the rest of the sentence is related to the thought or the expression shown already. So alphabet will be written in small letters after beginning with an inverted commas. Inverted commas begin, so long as he sticks to it, comma, hard enough and long enough. Here expression complete, full stop. Yes, the next sentence start, anything, A capital, whatever, full stop, inverted commas close, as expression is also close. The second paragraph is, life is like a race, Jawkins went on, in which they tire after a while and sit down, or get interested in something else instead. The man who keeps on wins the race. Life is like a race. Simple sentence. We will start it from inverted commas and close in inverted commas close, because the next person is saying this. Jawkins, J capital, went on, comma. Again the sentence is continued related to the first thing. In which they tire, in which, inverted commas begins again, they tire after a while and sit down, small pause, comma, or get interested in something else instead, full stop. Yes, the expression is complete here. The next sentence is going to be started, the man, the T capital, who keeps on wins the race, full stop, inverted commas close. The next lines are, third one, and suppose a man wanted to be skating champion of the Sahara, said Turbot, and couldn't afford the money to get there. Yes, it's again a dialogue said by Turbot. Inverted commas begins, and A capital. Suppose a man wanted to be skating champion of the Sahara. Sahara is the name of desert, and we will start its first alphabet will be capital S, Sahara, S capital. Then a pause, comma, inverted commas close. Said Turbot, small pause, comma, and couldn't or afford the money to get there. Again inverted commas begin, couldn't, short form, could, we will put apostrophe in between N and T, couldn't afford the money to get there, full stop and inverted commas close. Yes, the fourth paragraph is, we will read it. What? Said Turbot. Acrobat. Jawkins went on to the court of the country in which he lived. What kind of country was that? Asked Turbot. As the first word of the paragraph is giving interrogative sense. What? Yes, said Turbot. Inverted commas begin in W capital. What? Next is question mark. Inverted commas close. Said Turbot. T capital. Turbot is the name of the person. Yes, acrobat. Jawkins went on. Acrobat, A capital and inverted commas begin. Small pause, comma. Inverted commas close. Jawkins went on. Jawkins, J capital, because it is the name of the person. Went on. Short pause, comma. To the court of the country. To, inverted commas begins because the expression is going on. In which he lived. Full stop and inverted commas close because this person has completed his sentence. What kind of country was that? Again, you can feel the sense of interrogation. What kind of country was that? Inverted commas begin. What? W capital, the first word. That. What kind of country was that? Question mark. Inverted commas close. And then asked Turbot. Turbot, T capital. And after that, full stop. The next paragraph is, well, there was opportunity, argued Turbot, if he was born a good athlete. But wait a moment, said Jawkins. You don't remain an athlete all your life. And he still had to get the post created. Yes, again, dialogues started. Well, inverted commas begin. W capital, short pause, comma. There was opportunity, comma. Inverted commas close. Argued Turbot. Turbot, T capital, comma. And next expression is carrying on. If he was born a good athlete, inverted commas begin before if and will complete after athlete, and there is full stop in between. As we feel that the next line is said by another one. But wait a moment. But another expression is going to be started. Inverted comma begin. But, B capital, moment, comma, and inverted commas close. Said Jawkins. Jawkins, J capital, name, and then full stop. The next complete sentence is started here. You don't remain. You, inverted commas begin. You, Y capital. Don't, short form of do not. We will put apostrophe in between N and T. Don't remain an athlete all your life. Short pause, comma. And he still had to get the post created. Full stop and inverted commas close. Now the next chapter, the Gulistan of Sadi. Yes, the first one. Pay for the salt, said the king, lest it should become a custom and the village be ruined. Yes, it's a simple statement said by the king. The first portion will be started from inverted commas and the first word will be of capital letter. Pay for the salt, inverted commas close, comma, said the king. The king is a common noun, so it will be of the same sense written in the small letter. While it's a small pause and there will be comma, and the next expression will be continued. Lest it should, lest inverted commas begin, become a custom and the village be ruined, full stop and inverted commas close. The next one is, the foundation of oppression was small in the world. Very simple line said by the king. The T capital. Before this, inverted commas begin. The foundation of oppression was small in the word. Inverted commas close. A small pause, comma, said the king, full stop. The next one is, why do you laugh in such a position? The king asked. Very clear from the expression. Here is a question. Why? We'll start from the inverted commas, W capital. Why do you laugh in such a position? Question mark, inverted commas close. The king asked. Full stop. Yes, sentence is complete. The next paragraph is, if they fail, yes, they are expected to bring the case before the Qazi to seek justice. But in the present case, the parents have agreed to get my bloodshed for the trash of this world. Yes, the lines or dialogue said by the boy from the third story of the Gulistan of Sadi. Yes, if they fail, inverted commas begin, if I capital, they fail, comma, they are expected to bring the case before the Qazi. Qazi, Q capital, because it's a title for this specific person, to seek justice. Line is complete here, full stop, but B capital, in the present case, it's a short pause and we will put a comma here. The parents have agreed to get my bloodshed for the trash of this world. Line is complete, so here we will put full stop. Now some paragraphs from chapter number 10, a mild attack of locusts. The first paragraph is, all the crops finished, nothing left, he said. But the gongs were still beating, the men still shouting, and Margaret asked, why do you go on with it then? Yes, while starting from the inverted commas, all the crops finished. All, A capital, finished, full stop, because sentence is complete here. Nothing left, nothing. N capital, left, small pause, comma, and inverted commas close. He said, full stop, and the sentence is complete here. But the gongs, but B capital, the gongs were still beating. Yes, clause, and the small pause, comma, the men still shouting. Yes, another clause, short pause, comma, and Margaret asked. The third one here, we will put colon. The next question is going on, and we will start inverted commas along with the first letter capital Y, W capital. Why do you go on with it? A small pause, comma, then giving the question sense. Then we will put question mark over here and inverted commas close. The next paragraph is, for the Lord's sake, said Margaret angrily, still half crying. What's here is bad enough, isn't it? For the Lord's sake, said Margaret angrily. Margaret is saying, for the Lord's sake. The inverted commas begins, for, F capital, the Lord's. Apostrophe will be put in between D and S. Sake, comma, and inverted commas close. Said Margaret. Margaret, the name, M will be capital, angrily, comma, still half crying. As we have put comma after angrily, still half crying. Half crying is a full expression, so we will join it with a hyphen. Half crying, half crying, and after that we will put comma. What's here is bad enough. What's here? Another sentence is started here. but the expression is related to the earlier one, so we will not put capital W here. Inverted commas begin before before words here. Is bad enough, comma, isn't it, isn't is the short form of is not, and we will put apostrophe in between N and T. Isn't it, question mark, inverted commas, close. The third one is it could have been worse. Was what they said. It could be much worse. Yes, starting with the inverted commas, it, I capital, it could have been worse. Small pause. Comma, inverted commas close, was what they said. Full stop. And again started with and related with the first clause. It could be much worse. It, inverted commas begin, I capital, could be much worse, inverted commas close and full stop. Remember one thing, that we will make the sentence finish before putting the inverted commas. First we will put full stop and then it will be given inverted commas. The next paragraph we are having from lesson number 11. I have a dream. Yes, I have a dream. One day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal. These lines are the words of Martin Luther King. I have a dream. I will be capital, the first word of the line. One day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We put some colon here. We put a colon here because next are the true words said by Martin Luther King. Yes, he said inverted commas begins and the first word will be capital V, W capital. We hold these truths to be self-evident. We will put a hyphen in between both these two, this word which is a compound word, self-evident. Yes. And put a semicolon after evident. That all men are created equal, full stop and inverted commas, close. Now, there are paragraphs from the lesson number 13, God be praised. The first one is, how much should I pay? Maulvi Abul asked. How much should I pay? It means it's a question. Inverted commas begin. How, H capital. Much should I pay? Question mark. Inverted commas close. Maulvi Abul. Maulvi M capital. Abul A capital because it's a proper noun. Asked. Full stop. Sentence is started. Out of respect. Out. O capital, respect, after that comma, Shamim Ahmed. The word is S capital for Shamim and A capital for Ahmed. Hesitated for a moment, here, comma, rubbed his palms, comma, cleared his throat. As we have joined different clauses with commas, and we will put colon after replied. He is saying, inverted commas begin, at the rate of, at A capital, rate of 6 rupees per yard, comma, it will be 42 rupees, comma, sir, full stop and inverted commas, close. The next paragraph is, don't cry, Zebun, he said softly. He rarely addressed her that way, but today was a special day. God did listen to our prayers. Let us bow our heads to him. Yes, don't cry, Zebun. Simple imperative sentence started from the inverted commas. Don't, D capital, don't. We will put apostrophe in between N and T. Don't cry, comma, Zebun, Z capital, comma, inverted commas close. He said softly, full stop, and the next sentence is going to be started. He rarely, he, H capital, addressed her that way. He rarely addressed her that way, full stop. expression complete. But today was a special day. But B capital, special day, full stop. God did listen to our prayers. Let us bow our heads to Him. God did listen. God, G capital, before this, inverted commas, begin. Did listen to our prayers, full stop. Let us bow our heads to Him. Let us, if it's used as let's, then we will have to put apostrophe between it. But now, let and s, both these words are separately written. So we will just write L capital. Let us bow our heads to Him. Him is an expression toward Almighty Allah. H is capital and Him, full stop and inverted commas, close. The next paragraph is, she held his hand and burst into tears. She, S capital, and burst into tears, full stop. Look at this house, he said. It's a dialogue. So, inverted commas begins before look, L capital. At this house, comma, inverted commas close. She said, comma, sobbing, full stop. Without Mehran. Without, W capital, and before this inverted commas will begin. Without Mehran, comma, doesn't it look like a graveyard? Doesn't. We will put apostrophe in between N and T. It is a short form of does not. It looked like a graveyard. Question mark, inverted commas, close. The next paragraph is, Maulvi Abul smiled and consoled her. Maulvi Abul, M capital, Abul, A capital, smiled and consoled her, comma, don't be silly, Zebun, don't. Inverted commas begin, D capital, don't, and we use apostrophe in between N and T, don't be silly, comma, Zebun, Z capital, full stop. Has Mehran taken Zabda also with her? Has, H capital, Mehran, M capital, taken Zabda, Z capital, also with her, question mark. What about Shamsan? What, W capital, about Shamsan, S capital, because it's a proper noun. These are the names of Maulvi's daughters. Shamsan, question mark, inverted commas, close. Suddenly, S capital, he remembered something. Araf's mother, full stop after something. Araf's mother, inverted commas begin again. Araf, A capital, Araf's mother, apostrophe, mother, comma. Where is Zabda? Zabda, Z capital, question mark, inverted commas, close. He asked in a whisper, full stop. Now chapter number 14, overcoat. The first one, good evening, sir. He said courteously, can I help you, sir? Very easy, students. Good evening. Inverted commas begin and G capital. Evening, comma, sir, comma, inverted commas close. He said courteously, comma, can I help you, sir? Inverted commas begin and can, C capital, I help you, comma, sir, question mark, and inverted commas close. The next paragraph is, you have only to select, sir, said the carpet dealer amiably, and we will reduce the price to the minimum. It's a dialogue. Again, we will put inverted commas from the very start. You have only to select, Y capital, you. You have only to select, sir, select, comma, sir, comma, inverted commas close, said the carpet dealer amiably, comma, and we will reduce the price to the minimum. And before and, we will also put inverted commas begin and reduce the price to the minimum, full stop and inverted commas close. Dear students, your today's lecture ends here. Try to listen it again and don't hesitate if there is any query. If you have any question in your mind, if you want to ask something, you can ask it from WhatsApp group. Okay, Allah Hafiz, stay blessed.